Good afternoon, traders. I am the stock analyzer, and today we're going to take a look at THRR. This has been a hot stock as of late, either for the upside or sometimes during the downside. There's been a ton of people talking about the stock, wondering when it's going to bounce, where it's going to bounce to. So I'm just going to give you a little bit of my opinion here based on what I see. Now, this is a stock chart as of 3:56 p.m. Wednesday, April 14th, 2010. Just before the close here, the stock was trading right at the high of the day. I believe it still is. So it's a nice bullish candle, which is great. We are holding above the 20 moving average line, which is at 0017. I think that is going to be key for us to hold over today and also hold over early tomorrow. It would be nice if this stock does test 0.0022, which is some old resistance. So I think resistance number one, for those of you that are already in, is at 0.0022. Then I also think we will have some resistance at 0.0025. It's just a mental number. A lot of people tend to try to sell there. So I think 0022, 0025, and then obviously the 0.003 would be a real big breaking point if we were to break that level. I'm looking at support. Obviously, the support today at 0.0012 has held now for 2 days in a row. You can see the low of yesterday's candle was also at 0.0012. Especially if I sneak this black line in here a little bit, you'll see a little bit more clearly that for 2 days in a row the stock has held that point. So I think it would be great for us to hold over that point, because what it shows at that point is that people aren't looking to continually beat down the stock to make lower lows. So if we can start making either an even low or a higher low, which would be even better, I think that's good news for THRR. I also want to highlight down here that the MACD line is flattening out. If that black line can cross above the if the black line can cross above the red signal line, that would definitely be a good sign for any of you that are playing THRR. So I'll kind of wrap it up here. I think it's important that we do hold over this 20 moving average line late today and definitely early tomorrow. If there is a pullback, which there may be, the stock might gap up a little bit, especially as people take notice of the big gains today. They'll probably start saying things like the stock's going to run again, it's going to have a huge run, it's going to run to 1 cent based on the buyout PR. It may not. I'm not the one who's going to say it is or isn't going to. But sometimes when you get a lot of momentum like that and a little feeding frenzy starts, the stock gets pretty good momentum. So with that being said, resistance at 0.0022, 0.0025, and 0.003, with support at 0.0012, 0009, which is the 50 moving average line, and then 0008, which is the 200 moving average line. I do not hold a position in THRR. I'm not a registered or licensed broker, so please make sure you use your own buy and sell signals. And as always, good luck and happy trading.